I am on a mission to create a cleaner, non-toxic life for our family. And one of the ways that I'm doing that is through making my own baby wipes. Now, if you look on the internet and you try to buy clean baby wipes, it can be really expensive. And the prices just keep going up with the price of groceries. So today I'm gonna walk through how you can make your own, and it's a really, really good price. And I'll show you how you can also package these so that everything stays really quick and easy, and it's not gonna take that long. So first off, we'll talk about some of the supplies. All you really need is water. We're gonna be using some pure Castille soap. Now, if you are into non-toxic living, this is gonna be an amazing product. I use this for so many different products that I make at my house. So definitely worth getting a nice size jug, and I will link everything down below in the caption so you can grab all of this. The other item that we're gonna be using today is I'm gonna be using some almond oil. This is just because I have this around my house and I wanna use it up, but you can also use coconut oil, tallow, or any other clean type of oil that you're gonna feel comfortable putting on baby's skin. So jojoba oil is also really great. Anything that you want to use here. And then in regards to our packaging of these, I actually snagged these really great to-go bags for your wipes. Really great quality. They're kind of like a heavy duty plastic, which I know plastic isn't our favorites, but it is going to be the best way to actually get this transported around and keeping everything wet and not breakable. I like these because it has a nice double-sided Velcro in the top here, so you can close everything in. It's nice, compact, small, easy to use, so you can just grab some wipes on the go. Really love this. And then I also have my own wipe holder. I will link this, but I actually got this at a secondhand store. So definitely check out secondhand stores. Really great place. It was only $2. So we're gonna be using this as well. And then the last item here is our wipes. So I ended up getting a really great pack from Amazon. It was like $30 for so many of these packs, and they go a really long way. They're really soft and they open up to a nice size wipe here. Pretty big. So really like these. Also gonna be great for postpartum wipes as well if you use those, or like any wipes that you use at home. These are most likely not flushable. We have a well, so I don't flush anything besides toilet paper and humanly waste in. So I would definitely prepare to throw these away. I have 2 cups of water boiling. I'm gonna go ahead, turn this off, and add it to a nice glass dish. So I'm just gonna measure off 2 tablespoons of oil. Get this off here. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of our pure Castille soap. Now, if you do more, it will just get a little bit more soapy. So just watch out. You don't want it to be super sudsy. And then I'm gonna pour my boiled water on top. Okay. I'm gonna mix these all together. This way everything just dissolves in here and it creates a nice mixture. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare everything. So I have my nice warm water mixture, and I'm going to take my pads. I'm just going to overstuff this because you can never make too many wipes at once. And then all we're gonna do is pour this mixture over top. I like to flip mine a little bit. Once you have it, I am gonna take some and fill some of my reusable bag here. So you can see I got a nice big stash in here. I'll throw this in the diaper bag. And then I fill my little diaper station pretty thick and well. You can also make these in like a different storage bag and then kind of put everything in here. And then I just top everything with the leftovers here. And any leftovers will just go into the bottom, and then you can always add more pads on top. Close everything up and you have your wipes ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in my diaper bag, and you can see that in just a very quick couple of minutes, I created my wipes in just 3 ingredients: water, oil, pure castile soap, and you're gonna be able to have a nice little wipe for your little one. I do unscented, but if you wanna add some essential oils, you can also go ahead and do that, whatever your preference is. But I hope this was really easy, helpful, and something you can start doing to create a better non-toxic life for you and your family. Have a good one.